Guys, I'm making a nerf gun to a BB gun today. I hope you like it. Let's get started. First, you need to take the top off of a nerf dart. Take a pin apart. Take a push pin. Take the bottom part first, then take the top off. And take the pin and the dart. Stick the pin down. Stick one of the sides of the pins. Stick it down in the nerf dart. I'd rather you do it where you took the dart, this thing off. It's easier down that way. Might have to do something sometime. Then you take it, this part where you got it, stick it down the barrel, and it should look like this. And then go get a BB. Sorry, then take your BB. Put it in, then load and shoot. I'm gonna show you how you do it. If you guys watch, I'll turn the camera around. You'll be able to see where it goes. As you can see, it ricocheted off the window and landed right here. Do I see that? And that's how you make your BB gun. Thanks for watching and like the video.